Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the property that was all boarded up just a few weeks ago. And we have now made this property into a better property. Let's look. Let's go right inside and check it out. Here's my guy Chuck, putting in the work for us, with us. That's my business partner there. That's my son over there, playing that game. As you remember, all the windows were out. We put in all new windows throughout. Redid the kitchen. Towel backsplash, sink, spout. Here's a shot of it from the kitchen. It's all open. Had that open floor concept there. Large, just about 1,000 square feet. We got the barn door here onto the bathroom. Tile. You guys know pretty much how we do our bathrooms. We like using this tile here. We go all the way to the ceiling with the tile. We keep it looking nice. Here's bedroom number 1. We did carpet in the bedrooms. We kept the hardwood in the hallway. On into the other bedroom. Now I'll take you guys down to the basement. We try to complete these properties in a timely fashion. We're gonna finish painting these steps, clean this basement up, and we're gonna be out of here in the next day. We try to keep this process as simple as we can, as quick as we can, and still put in a quality product in the house. I think we did a pretty good job on it. We know there's gonna be tons of return on it. Me and my partners, we're gonna get paid on it. Me and my partner upstairs, Chuck D, he's the construction side of it. He's a beast. He wakes up every morning and makes things work. When I'm chasing, doing the paperwork and checking out the deals, he makes sure that the construction side of it gets done. Keeps all the other guys in line, make sure, that the work is quality work, so the property can actually get sold, in a timely fashion. I like this barn door that we put in here. It's pretty slick on the bathroom. Keep it kind of raw wood. Thought that was sweet. Yeah, other than that, I just want to show you guys how quick, I know you guys, a lot of people were telling me that, they thought it would take me forever to, fix this house up. And it's just a different perspective that we have than other people, It's like, it really is not going to take us that long, And we're going to make more money than if we were working at a day job, So why would we, right? So the month that it took to do this, it could possibly be somebody's salary for 2 or 3 years, of work. But we're entrepreneurs. We took the risk. You see, there's different sides to the game, actually. So you don't take much risk going to work, or that could be the biggest risk of all, because you could get fired, right? You got to understand that too. But anyhow, you guys, I just want to show you guys, like, it's not as hard as you think it is. So you can do it too. All you have to do is put your mind to it, stay focused, save up a little bit of money, I started with one property, like everybody else in the world, I wasn't born rich. It's just that simple. You got to start with one. You can't be going out, buying a bunch of junk stuff. you know, just trying to be cool, because you can't be cool and get rich at the same time. You can't buy everything you want and get rich. It just don't work like that. You got to make sense of the situation. You can't have everything you want and get rich. You got to take a choice. You got to, what we call sacrifice, something, somewhere along the line, you know, and that's what we had to do. We sacrificed and still are to grow bigger, still sacrificing, still not buying everything I want just because I want it, just because I got the money to buy it, you know. You gotta make it make sense, man. But you guys, I love you watching. I love you. Take it easy. Keep hustling yourself, and hopefully you'll get there one day. And maybe shit, you might already be there. So keep doing what you're doing. Later.